Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says we need to find out the remainder when the determinant of this thing is divided by 5. Okay, so look at this. My idea is you can solve this problem by two means. First, find out the determinant of this thing and then divide it by 5 to find out its remainder. Or you can also do this ideas. You will find out the remainder of this when divided by 5, same, 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 and then later you will find out the determinant. You can go with both ways. So I will go with first idea. So to have command over this question, I would like to suggest you guys to go through the playlist of binomial theorem and watch out 4-5 videos of remainder theorem. That will help you to have better clarity about this question. For brief, I will suggest you guys to understand this thing. You know that you are dividing by a prime number. Okay, so suppose that you have to divide a by a prime number p, and if power is p minus 1, in this case your remainder will be 1, but you have to make sure that p is a prime number. Okay, and already 5 is a prime number, so you know, so you have to solve this thing. So p is 5 and p minus 1 is 4, so I will write down 2014 to the power, if we will write down things in terms of 4, so 4, so 4 5s are 50, like 20, 0, 4 3s are 12, correct? Now it is only 12, so we need two more. So can I write 2014 2014? Okay, now you have to divide this thing by 5, so you know that this person will give you remainder as 1, correct? Now if you will divide this thing by 5, you will have remainder as minus 1. Okay, you can go with the simple division. Either you can go with 4 or you can go with minus 1. Here also you will get minus 1, and in this part you are getting 1. So 1 into minus 1 is 1. So under this case remainder is 1. Okay, so you got remainder as 1. Now if you will observe this thing, so 2015 is directly divisible by 5, so here remainder becomes 0. So for second element remainder becomes 0. Okay, now here you guys can write down things as 2016 power, here you need to write 4, so here what we will write 504, correct? And it is complete. Now it's, you know that if you divide by 5 your remainder will be 1, so under this case remainder is 1. Okay, now 17, so 17 can be written as 2017 to the power 4, and here what you will write 16. Okay, so 504, so here you got one extra, 2017, it is 16 then 117. If you divide by 5, you know this will produce 1 as the remainder and this will produce 2 as the remainder. So from here you will get remainder as 2. Okay, so you got 2 as remainder. Please keep on doing this thing. Now we need to divide by 17 done 18. So if it is 2018, 2018, power is also 2018, so I'll go with 4, and okay 504, so it is 16, correct? So 2018 17, 2018 18. Now if you divide by 5, this thing will produce 1, this thing will produce 3, this thing will produce 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 into 1 is 9. So 9 by 5. So if you divide 9 by 5, you will have remainder as 4. Okay, you have to do this. Now this thing 2019. So same game, 2019 4 2 sorry 504 504. So it is 16. So 2019 17, 2019 18, 2019 19. Correct? 5. This thing will produce 1. This thing will produce minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So 1 minus 1 minus 1. 3 times minus 1 and 1. So here remainder will become either minus 1 or 4. So I'll go with 4. Okay. Why I'm telling you this? Look at this. Suppose you are dividing 10 by 3. So if I'll ask you, like if you'll divide, so 3 times 9. Okay, so the remainder is 1. So you can go with this idea, and you can also go with this idea. 3, 10. Let's say you are going towards 4. So it is 12. So it is minus 2. You can write both things, 1 or minus 2. But while answering, you cannot answer in negative. So this remainder is 100% correct. But when you will answer that you are getting minus 2, what you have to do? You have to add this. So again you will get 1. Okay, so if you get negative remainder, you have to add these two things. Okay, so you got remainder. Now 2019 is done. 20, here you will get 0. Okay, so this is your 1. I'll change the color. So here we are getting 1, 0 and 1. Here we are getting 2, then 2 times 4, we are getting 4, we are getting 4. Here we are getting 0. Now look at this, this is 20, है ना? So can I write 2021 to the power 4, and here I will write 505. Okay, so we have 20, so it is 2021 extra, 1 extra. So this will give you 1 as the remainder, and this will give you 1 as the remainder. So here it is 1. Now this is 2022 to the power 4, and here I will write 505. So it is 20. So 2022 2022. So here 1 remainder, here 2, and here 2. So 2 2 4 and 1. So remainder is 4. So this much mazduri you did to find out this thing. Now you can go with this idea. So it was 101 101 244 244 and then 014 014. Now you have calculated the remainder. Now you can find out its determinant. Sorry, now I'll open this determinant. So it is 1 time 16 minus 4 minus 0 time anything plus 1 time 2. So we got this as 12 plus 2 14. Now we got determinant as 14. So you know that if you divide 14 by 5, you will get remainder as 4. Okay, therefore the required answer is 4. I hope the idea is clear, and if you guys similar kind of question, you guys can handle accordingly. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.